welcome back to my channel. I have a little bit of a beauty haul here for you guys today. I've gone to Sephora, Tjmax, and Bath Body Works and Target. Not a whole lot of stuff. A couple things from each one of those stores. And I have some paparazzi jewelry that I'm going to be throwing in here. So if you want to see what I have been picking up, just keep on watching. Okay guys, not a whole lot of stuff is going on right now, but let me show you what I got. And I've already threw my bags away. I'm like really into getting rid of the bags when I bring them in my house. I know, no judgment. So I put everything that I've stacked up in this little bitty bag right here. Isn't this so cute? I just love it. So I think is what we're gonna do is start off with the jewelry first, so I can go ahead and get that out of the way. I got some really cool stuff recently from Paparazzi. Not these earrings. I've actually got these from Amazon. You guys are little skeletons. And Melissa Prada had them on one of her vlogs one day and said where she got them from, and they just look so dang cute. I could not pass them up. As we all know, Halloween is my favorite holiday, so I had to get them, and they're very inexpensive. They were like $10.99, you guys, and if you have Prime, you get free shipping. They have the rhinestones in them. I think that's what they call them. Are they called rhinestones? I don't know. It's like those diamonds, but they're not diamonds, you know? Okay, so here's what I got. And these are gorgeous, you guys. And in case nobody knows, what you guys probably already do, that Paparazzi is literally $5 jewelry, you guys. $5 jewelry. Are you ready? Look at these gorgeous little earrings. And these two have like the rhinestones in them. I guess that's what you call them. Just those little dingly like fake diamond stuff. I hope I'm saying that right, but they're so cute. Oh my goodness, look at those. Oh my gosh, I am in love. And they just have the little fishhook backs, and they are so dang cute. The other pair that I got, these are going to stand out, you guys. They are so cute. I'm just all about bling lately. I don't know what it is. Bling and fall. Bling and fall. I don't know. It's starting a trend with me. But these, let's see if we can get them going right there. Aren't those cute? These are so cute, you guys. I don't know. I'm in love with these two. I think I don't know, out of all of these earrings I've been picking up lately, I don't know which one is going to be my favorite. I just know that I am like really, really in love with all of them. They're so sparkly, you guys. Okay, these are not sparkly, but these are so fall, you guys. And you could wear these right up to the end of November, or do you wear them all year? Who cares? But they are just so cute. They are just leaves, and it's like, I want to say kind of like a faux leather. I think that's what you would say about these, is like a faux leather. Aren't those cute? They are so cute. Oh my goodness. Tell me you guys are not in love with these. Am I right? They're just so pretty. I love them. And then I got a free piece of jewelry. Because you guys know, if you're watching Paparazzi Girls, they like to give out free bling. And they usually give out 1 to 2 pieces of free bling a night when they're doing their shows. And all you have to do is comment on there, you guys, when you're watching. Just comment, and they just pick a random winner. They pick a random winner. Okay, so isn't this gorgeous, you guys? Hold on, I think I have it backwards. Which way is it? Okay, it's this way. So it comes down like this, and once again, they have like those rhinestones in them. You guys see that? And it goes all the way down into this little piece right here. Oh my gosh, no joke. I think these little earrings are cute, but you could even go as far as like, hello, bling it up a bit. They're so pretty. I cannot wait to wear them. I'm becoming obsessed. And also this ring. This ring is Paparazzi, you guys. $5 bling. And it has a stretchy back, so you don't have to worry about sizes. Like, it ain't gonna fit you, because it will, I promise. And you can always like take these out, and they'll tell you how you can take these out if you don't already know, so that you can adjust it to your size. But look at how pretty that is. I mean, would you guys have guessed that that was $5 bling? I know, right? Okay, we're moving right along. And I'll tell you, because I have stuff from different stores, where exactly that I found these at, in case you guys are interested and you want to go pick it up yourselves. Let's start with some Tjmax stuff first, okay? I did pick up a couple brushes. I'm going to show you guys. These are from the Real Techniques, Sam and Nick, I guess you want to say, limited edition. I got the 005 shadow brush, and I also got the 004 contour. These are the Brush Crush. I wonder, is that like the Crush collection? Is that what they call them? I don't know, but these are what they look like. They are so stinking cute. Look at that, how pretty they are. I mean, if that doesn't catch your attention, I don't know what will. So this is the contour one. Let's get you a good angle there. Isn't that so cute? And it's so weird because the other day I was doing my makeup and I just kind of like wish I had one of these. I have a contour brush, but I have one that's like more fluffy and pointed. And then I have one that's I got from Sephora, and it's a blush brush, but it's got that same angle to it. So I just kind of use that for contouring, blending, and blush. But this one, I cannot wait to use. Oh my goodness. And I don't know if you guys can really see in here, but it's like turquoise on the inside and like it has a plastic pink on the outside. Isn't that gorgeous? Love it. And this in here, I needed one of these so bad because I think I only have one brush like this for eyeshadow, but it's kind of small, so I needed a bigger one, you guys. You can never have too many brushes, am I right, girls? Or guys, you just can't have any more. You gotta have some, right? It's so pretty. Look at that one. This one here looks more pinkish purple, and the other one was like a turquoise right here. You guys see that? Let me show you the other one again. Yeah. Can you see what I mean? It's so cute. I love them. The next one I got is the Real Techniques. And this one is just like, this is not, it says Ultra Splash. I don't know if this one is limited edition or anything because it doesn't say that. However, I've never seen these brushes before from them, so I'm not sure. But this is just a highlighting brush. And I seen it, I thought that's cute. It's kind of bigger and fluffier up here than a lot of the fan brushes that you get from them. And I thought, I need that because I really need to pack on some highlight, you guys. Sometimes I just like to like go and go crazy with it and go up and down my nose and all that stuff. And I thought this would be freaking perfect. I love it. It's so pretty. And it's kind of like a dusty rose color, I guess you would call that. That's how it looks to me. But and then I got the thing in. I really don't want to go out and get my nails done, you guys, for obvious reasons. So I just wanted to go ahead and dress up sometimes with some nails because I still want to look like I'm put together, you know. So I went ahead and got the Kiss nails. These are Gel Fantasy Ready to Wear Gel. These are so freaking cute. Let's see. I don't even know if they have a color or anything to them. I don't see what it would say, but I just got your basic fall colors. These are actually coming off a little darker than what they are in person. They are actually like a burgundy or wine. They are very dark. I don't know if you guys can see that, but they're very pretty. I can't wait to put those on. I don't know what it is, but here lately, because I just have these and I do these myself, nothing special. And they look okay, but like I really want long nails. I want long, pretty nails that look like I just went out and got them done, even though I didn't. So hopefully that will do the trick. Okay, what do we have down in here? I think we have one thing from Bath & Body Works, and I just got this like 5 days ago, you guys, and I just couldn't hold off. I had to use it, and a lot of it is already gone. Look at that pretty packaging. See how much I've used already? It's just so pretty. I just love it. And it's whipped almond vanilla, and it smells so good, you guys. So good. I think like, I know this is going to sound really old, but when my daughter was little, and I think that was like 20 years ago, I kid you not, right? So we were buying stuff from this Avon lady, and they had bubble bath lotions and all that stuff, and I don't remember the name of the line, and it's the first time and the last time I ever smelled that smell, and I have no clue what they called it, but this smells just like it, so it kind of like threw me back, and I got really excited. I love how it smells. I'm not even going to try to describe it because I'm really horrible at that, but love, love, love this. Love it. It smells amazing. Okay, next two things I got. Let me make sure this is the last two things that I got from that place. I actually picked these up at the dollar spot at Target, and I just cannot say no to these. These are so stinking cute. They're just little packs of tissues like you would get from Puffs or whatever, the travel ones. But it says, I would cry, but my mascara is perfect. How cute is that for makeup junkies, you guys, like us? Aren't those adorable? Look at those. Oh my goodness. They had a couple other ones too. They had different sayings on it. Wasn't makeup related or anything. And I think they were pink and peach. They were really cute. But I mean, come on. Why would I cry? My mascara is perfect. That just fits me so much. I love it. Okay, the last few things that I have are straight from Sephora. And we'll start with the boring stuff. I mean, is there really anything boring at Sephora? I don't think so. Okay, so these are just the Xoxoxo cottons. We all know and love these. I mean, really, I cannot find myself using anything else. I ran out of these, and I started using, like, paper towels, the cheap paper towels on my eyes, and it just hurts so bad. And I really don't like the regular cottons that you get at, like, Walgreens, Target, or Kroger. because they just kind of like split up and fall off on your eyes, and then you got like little pieces of cotton right here. I can't stand them. These never tore up on me or anything. Absolutely love them. Constantly repurchase them. And I'm kind of bummed because I went to Sephora first before I went to TJ Maxx, and as you guys know, these are $12 at Sephora right now. I think they used to be like $9 or something, but now they're $12. So after I got these, I go over to TJ Maxx, and TJ Maxx has the exact same pack, no joke, for $7.99. I was so bummed. And then like they have like the, I think it's like one, like if you were to take these and only do one row of them, they had those too. They had a few of those, but they only have one of these. They had a few of those, and those are $3.99 if you only get the like the little pieces, or the little pack, I should say, not pieces. Okay, guys, this is so freaking cute. Did I need another beauty blender? Absolutely not. Did I want one? Hell yeah, I did. Look at this cute little set, you guys, and it's still the same price. It's like you buy the beauty blender and you get all of this shit for free, right? Because this is what you're gonna get. Let me show you. First, can we just take a minute to talk about this cute little case that it comes in? Isn't that adorable? And it has like little vent holes into the back. So, so cute, right? So you open this little guy up, and what do you find? You get the beauty blender, am I right? It's so cute. And then not only do you get that, but you also get the cleanser, right? And you dig all the way back here in this other little part of the pack, and you have a cleaner, a little rubber cleaner. You see a little heart shape, guys? It's so cute. It's so, so cute. I seen that, I was like, what? 20 bucks for all of this? When I paid $20 for a beauty blender by itself, I just couldn't pass it up. I just couldn't. I probably should have, because I didn't need it, and I don't need to be spending money right now. But I had to have it, right? Okay, so the next thing is I just used 100 points of my points to get this because I'm in love with Tatcha, and I wanted to try out the eye cream. And to be honest, I didn't even know they had an eye cream until I was checking out and I seen this little sample guide. So I went ahead and got it, and it is the Silk Peony. Let's see, it's a melt. Does that say melting? I can't see without my glasses. Melting eye cream. So I'm kind of curious about this to see how it works. And because I know I love a lot of their moisturizers and their face wash. Oh my goodness. I absolutely love it, so I'm kind of stoked to see what this is. I'm not going to open the packaging up itself because I have a lot of eye creams that I got to go through, but I just want to show you how cute and tiny this little guy is. He is adorable. Look at it. Oh my goodness, it's not, that is the cutest little thing ever, is it not? I don't know what it is, but things that are mini are so stinking cute. Am I right? And then this is my last, oh my god, it just fell. This is my last little product, sadly, but it was just a freebie, a little sample the girl threw in my bag. And it is the Farmasi Green Clean. It's a makeup melt away cleansing balm. I haven't tried this one. I have tried, oh wait, did I? No, I haven't. I was using Clinique. That is my favorite take the day off balm. I love it. There's nothing that compares to it. But I have had a sample of the Drunk Elephant, which is okay. I love Drunk Elephant, but nothing compares to my Clinique Take the Day Off Balm. So I'm kind of excited to try this to see if this is going to blow anything else out of the water, or am I going to stick with my Clinique? I don't know. We're going to try this and figure this out, you guys. We'll have to see how it goes. I'm all about trying new things. I like to try out new makeup, skincare, and all that jazz, because you never know. As much as you think that you have something that is your all-time favorite ride or die product, you may find something that's going to be better that might beat that shit. So I'm all about trying new things and looking and seeing what I like. But that's how we learn, right? All right, you guys, I know this was a very chatty video. I haven't been here in a while. Hopefully I can get back to normal and start filming and filming. I love doing this. It's not, I would say, a joy, not a hobby. I love doing this. I like being here. But that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you will like and subscribe. I'll try to list as many products down below I can. You know, it takes a lot of work, but I love doing it. So I'm going to try to list everything if I can find it down below. I hope you guys have a wonderful night. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, my loves, bye.